You know what? Like, I've never changed my money on an airport's exchange bureau.
Why? Why not?
It's the spread, man. Like, the spread is too big. You know,
What do you mean?
the exchange rates. Like, I give $10, I get like €7. That doesn't make sense. And I was thinking, this type of philosophy applies for projects as well, right?
Hmm.
Why would I buy something at $10 and then if I want to sell it, I'll have to sell it at $9 and I lose 10% of the value. And this is essentially the spreads. This is an immediate loss that you get after trading an asset, right? Isn't it?
I would say the spread is just an additional trading fee. Is you lose the value immediately. I sometimes think about like a car dealership. Is if you drive your car out of there, if you bought it, you drive it out of the dealership, you lose 30%. And
Yeah.
if your spread is too wide, this is about like let's say 1 or 2% on mid caps. But it
Yeah.
matters a lot for large institutions, especially for adoption.
Yeah, not only for large institutions, but if you're a regular Joe and if you want to invest in an asset, your asset depreciates with the first buy with 5%, right? In some cases, right? So that's why for projects it's very, very important to maintain a healthy spread, right?
I've kind of struggled in the beginning very much with understanding or coming up with an example of what market making is. But I think the airport foreign exchange kind of like desks are kind of it.
Exactly.
Because you could go there and they're the market maker, so to say. You could go there and exchange at any time your asset or your currency that you have at that point. But they're going to take a little cut of that. And that's what a market maker does as well. They quote on both sides. The spread is what you pay. And they actually make a bit of profit of that risk that they're taking by holding the asset on the other side. I think our job as a market maker is to make sure that they get the most amount of money for what they exchange rather than, losing 3-4% of value.
Yeah. And that is because we want to attract the most amount of people.